Ke Sorkar MDA tu lingba undang Ïakren jongka bak pol lingdo ubadai ru menteri ubadai pej ya ketenat social welfare bat kiwe pat ketenat terikam ke Sorkar ula Pyntip bagi bor penyait ke North Eastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Science NEIGRIHMS kala rai ban Pynsangeh ya ke Jingkhot Thungkam hagatege institute tarhaduk bandala ban penbej ya ke jing bumhun bat ki kenok kenram ki badan haka. Kini ke jing Pyntip kalawan hadin ke Jingkhot Ïakren ke Sorkar jelah kesan tarik jembang arajar arpusan iki nongelam ke KSU kabala penlong ya ke jing yaki de kabal songkelan mengor kabal kelembu por nadu ke tarik jembang arajar arpusan hapelau jong ke institute bandawa ban penbej ya ki rukom khot Thungkam ki bemsyai. Hagani ke jingelang ke Sorkar jelah kala khot ru yau director ke NEIGRIHMS Dr. Nalin Mehta hake jinge donlang ki officer ki bor penyait district lembat kiwei pan. Ubak pol loong ban kaliang ke Sorkar kapan krek ban buk por ban ye kenduk bat ketenat ke kot ke khiak ke Sorkar India ban ye keren halor ke NEIGRIHMS bat kan abru ye ke jingmi ne ke jingelang ke governing council bat kiwei pan. Daga bekintu ya ke KSU ban wengno ya ke jingya ki syongkelan mengor ubak pol loong bagi bor bahalor ke NEIGRIHMS kan ya keren bat kinong elam ke KSU halor ke jing pentraikam ya ke roster system ha ke Jingkhot Thungkam.
Based on this today's meeting, the KSU has flagged 5 issues which some of you are aware of. Concerning age limit, the male and female nursing officer ratio, holding of CBT, computer-based test, inadequate reservation for STs, and point number 6, which is additional, is for the demand that the NEIGRIHMS conducts its own recruitment. After very thorough, detailed and extensive discussions, I'm happy to inform you that one, we have decided that a delegation led by me as member of the cabinet government of Meghalaya, in the absence of the Minister in charge of health, who is currently out of town, we will seek an appointment immediately with the Union Minister of Health in order to take up issues which are beyond the administrative control of NEIGRIHMS, policy matters and policy issues, which hopefully we should be able to do so in a matter of a few days from today. Second is, some of you may be aware that there is also a governing council of the NEIGRIHMS chaired by the Honorable Minister of Health and Family Welfare, GOM, and we have also decided that parallelly these issues will also be taken up at the level of the governing council, and resolutions adopted by the council are then forwarded to the Union Ministry. Number 3 is where matters of detail, for instance, matters relating to the plotting of the roster in the recruitment process, members of the KSU and officials of the NEIGRIHMS will sit down tomorrow to iron out and come up with a single draft where we should be able to arrive at points of convergence. Now, in view of these developments, the NEIGRIHMS has also decided that until all matters are sorted out, matters that might impact the recruitment process, the NEIGRIHMS will halt the entire recruitment process, and we should be able to sort matters out in a matter of a week or so. In view of these developments, leaders of the KSU have been requested to call off their sit-in demonstration. They have been very positive in their response, and they will formally need to get that decision endorsed by their General Council, which they will be holding either later today or tomorrow. So hopefully it will happen today. See any problems? It's just that a matter of perspective. There are issues relating, for instance, to our need to have. We do not have what is known as INI in the case of NEIGRIHMS, which the governing council and can initiate the process.
Pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la Ïakren diat bat akabatau bha kam kata ika dur jengki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.